guys, right, that's the first part of the turbo burn. Seemed quite good, so I'll give you a quick update. So obviously all stripped down, and yeah, had a play. So now we're looking like this. So there's still some little marks and bits and pieces, but it is over 30 years old now. So today I'm going to start with a bit of cleaning, bit of assembly, see where we are. So yeah, let's get on it. Well, a bit of progress. Sat in the garden now, doing some bits. The gearbox all together, new lower arms, all cleaned up. The chassis still looking nice, obviously polished there. Shock towers, no brace, lifts in. But again, this is just to make it look nice. This is not to be a perfect one. Found a new diff cover to go there as well, so it's quite good. But yeah, onto the front. Right, I think I'm going to call it a day for today. But yeah, diff in, radio tray, front gearbox, front diff, front brakes. It's all polished, looking nice. They need a nice cloth to get rid of the fingerprints, but yeah, coming along. So on the front I've got these old socks, one leavish one, so I'll pick the best one out of the two, and yeah, go from there.